So when two pitches conflict, or when we play out of tune from one another, the note goes from being very clear to having waves. See if you can hear the waves. As you can tell, I'm playing in tune with it. Now I'm going to go up and make it sharper. Now I'm going to go low and show you what it sounds like when it goes flat. And that is what it sounds like when two pitches fight with each other. Imagine having that multiplied by 30 people in a band or 50 people in a band. So it's really important. We always use our ears and try to play in tune with each other so those waves go away.